Hey guys, this is Navin Raja from Passion Vidya. If you are new to our channel and not yet subscribed, so please hit the subscribe button. Today we have come up with an awesome video to improve your efficiency of study time. As all of us are staying back in home due to COVID, most of the students are struggling to concentrate on studies due to lack of environment that they get in the college. So I have requested my friend Ankit Purohit to make a video to help you guys overcome this issue. Like me, Ankit was an average student in the school, but eventually he transformed himself to crack world's most competitive exam, JEE Mains, JEE Advanced and CAT. Now he is successful alumni of NIT Allahabad and IIM Shillong. I believe this video will be very helpful for you to improve your efficiency. So please watch the video till the end.
And today in this video, I will be sharing with you what all techniques I applied for which I got more than 10 times the result I used to get earlier, and all the secrets what you can do to increase your efficiency in studies and in work in general. So this video is being inspired by Passion Vidya. At Passion Vidya, we believe in delivering the disruptive solutions in the problems of the education system. So we are a group of people who believe in guiding the content creators, the entrepreneurs, the inspiring students and the out of the box thinker. So join us on this ride to make the learning exuberant. Here in this video, I will be sharing with you the entire model through which we can tap into our minds and channelize our energies to more than 10 times the productivity which we can have today. So the model which we'll be discussing today is the time model, and in the time model stands for trap. Yes guys, here what we have to do is we have to trap our minds. What trapping means is we have to get the focus right of our minds. And now here I'll be sharing the two techniques through which we can trap our mind. The first is whenever we are doing a work, don't prolong a work. Always tell your mind that you will be studying or you will be doing that work for 15 to 20 minutes. That is it. So go with a mindset that you are going to work or study for only half an hour or just less than that. So here what happens, your mind is prepared that it doesn't have to focus anywhere else. It has got a task with a very short deadline, and short deadlines are the ones where your mind doesn't distract and it knows that it has to work in a definite pattern. And the next thing in this technique comes is you have to lure your mind. By luring I mean just tell your mind that after you study you will be doing it. You will be watching those movies, you will be eating those food. So what happens here, your mind gets the reward system. So whenever you are studying, your mind knows that after this work I'll be getting rewarded. And this reward technique works very well with our minds, because this reward technique tells our mind that we deserve some good results, and those results do lead our minds to more focus, and this is how we trap our minds. So always start with shorter intervals, which is of 15 to 20 minutes, and then with the period of time gradually increase those time. So for example, if you started with 20 minutes, with a period of time that is around 2 weeks to 3 weeks, increase it to 40 minutes and slowly and steadily take it to an hour. And do these exercises for 4 to 6 times in a day. This leads to a much higher productivity and a lot of increase in your focus. The next technique which in a model comes is I, which stands for initial. Yes, you have to take the initial end in mind. Now what I mean by this. Now guys, whenever we start, we just start randomly from the where we left last. What we have to do before starting, we have to take out 2 minutes before starting, and in those 2 minutes we have to think two things. The first thing is we have to think, what are we gonna learn in this session, in this sitting. So you have to be very clear about what you are going to study. And the second thing we have to be very clear about is what are the benefits we'll be getting. So whenever I used to sit for a sitting, for around 30 minutes, I used to tell myself that this chapter or this topic I'll be covering within these 30 minutes, and the benefits I'll be getting is I'll be able to solve those questions in this period of time. So I used to give a target to myself before starting. And if you give yourself target before starting, your mind gets channelized. And the third thing which you have to do in the initial end technique, you have to keep in mind the end. Now in the end, what happens when you are done with your studying of around 30 minutes, what you have to do, guys, is don't just rush out. Take a pause for 1 minute, what all you can retain, and just memorize that. Is it according to the target which you have set before starting? This is just to monitor your progress, and believe me guys, this is something where your mind gets the track how fast or how well it is performing. And when your mind knows that it is performing well, it gives you a lot of confidence and it channelizes your mind towards the productive results. The third element in our time model comes M. M stands for memory. Now every one of us wants to have amazing memory which lasts forever. Now the technique which I thought of developing, I learned it from Bhagavad Gita and many other trainers. It is called unappropriate and unusual. Now just for example guys, if I tell you to imagine an elephant with a beak of a duck, and I am sure that you won't forget that animal ever. Or just if you can imagine a blue banana. So see, these unusual things get registered in your mind forever. So what happens in scientific way, if I'll tell you, what happens is when there is anything unusual, it creates an impression in our mind which leads to change in thought, and those change in thought leads to a lot of change in our principles, how we think. And when our thinking pattern changes, there our behavior towards the things changes. And when our behaviors towards the thing changes, guys, this is where you learn faster. And there is also a different technique. What you can do is mind map. So I have discussed a lot about mind map in my video, whose link you can see above. Now coming on to this again, unappropriate, unusual technique, how you can practically use it. See guys, the first thing which you can do here is associate some abbreviations to your task. For example, in this model, as I given you a time model. Now this is something TIME, you won't ever forget. And I have associated everything with it. Now whatever you are studying, you can associate abbreviations with it. You can think it, imagine it from a very unappropriate angle, something which is unusual. And this is how it gets registered deeper into our subconscious mind. If the thing starts registering in your subconscious mind, this is where you change the game and you start learning the things forever. So keep in mind for the time being that whatever you have to do, you have to think it from the unusual way. Create your own patterns, create your own abbreviations, and assign it your name so that you can recall it whenever you want. And the last element of our model comes is E, and E stands for education. Now guys, we all take education in our schools, colleges and coaching institutes. But the real education comes from reading the real books of the great people. The great books like The Power of the Subconscious Mind, How to Focus During the Work, the Atomic Habits. These are the books which actually make you think beyond our education systems which is being teaching us. Whenever you read such self-help books or even the autobiographies of the great people, it inspires you a lot and it makes you build your own patterns. So I always focus in my videos on creating new patterns in your mind, because when you create those new patterns, this is where you change the game. So this was our time model, where T stands for trapping the mind, I stands for initiating the end in mind, the M stands for a memory, and the last E stands for education. Having these 4 elements in your forte always gives you power to lead the race and to crack any exam you want. There's also a bonus tip for you all, and that bonus tip is the time in itself. Now guys, whenever a task is being given, whatever subjects you are studying, whatever chapters you are studying, whatever work you are doing, always have 20 to 30% of the vacant time with you in the deadline. So what I mean by this is, whenever there's a deadline for you, for example, there's a deadline or you have assigned 10 hours for doing a work, prepare yourself in such a way that in the 7 or 8 hours the entire work or the entire study is being done, so that you are left with 2 to 3 hours either to revise or to make changes or any adjustment in the situation. This is what I feel is the biggest differentiator between past me and the present me. And believe me, by having that buffer of 20 to 30% actually increased my motivation to complete the things faster. And if there were any other distractions which were beyond my control, I took control of them. So if you would have liked the video, just click on the like button and let us know in the comment box which of the technique out of this entire time model you like the most. And let us know which could be the next video through which we can help you out.
Guys, for more tips from Ankit on personal and professional growth, follow his channel Ankit Purohit IIM. You can find the link to his channel in the description.